Wednesday morning, the sun is shining and we're back. So, first job, tarmac. Hate the stuff. Yeah, no, we've got to clean this tarmac driveway off. You can see it's actually red tarmac. It's quite a lot of algae. He's asked me if I'll do the face of the walls as well. It looks like it's got, I don't know if this is lichen or lichen or lichen or however you pronounce it. Yeah, this is the first job. As you can see, the edges are covered in moss. The centre doesn't look too bad, to be honest. I think I'm going to end up having to turbo it to get rid of these, whatever this is, because the floor cleaner normally doesn't shift it. But yeah, no, the edges are quite bad with moss and weeds and whatever else. So yeah, we've just got the tank filling up. Again, pressure's on our side. We'll pull the high pressure hose out and we'll get started.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was
The drive's had a quick skim over now with the turbo. Done all the edges, done the face of the wall, got all the thick moss from all the gaps and edges and whatnot. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to switch over to the floor cleaner, go over that just to ensure that I haven't missed anything, and then give it a rinse down and we'll see how it looks. I haven't got my valve on the end of the hose, which is a bit of a pain, so I'm going to try without turning the machine off and switch over. Let's see how this goes. Switch over to floor cleaner now, so let's give it a quick go over with this. Let's check what nozzles are on it. These nozzles are so hard to read. 25s. See, normally I would go over the tarmac with a 40, but if we do circular motions we should be okay. Let's move all this hose out of the way so we can just have a good run. Already I can see I've missed a little bit there and there. This is why I'm going over it again. Yeah, so we went over the turbo first, try and get all the moss out of the gaps, but then we went over, not with the gaps, with the tarmac, to get all the moss out the grain of the tarmac. Then we went over the floor cleaner, just to ensure that we haven't missed anything. And now we're just going to give it a rinse off. And while we're rinsing off, obviously have a close look, make sure there is nothing left. It shouldn't be, it's had 2 passes, but better safe than sorry. So yeah, got my rinse nozzle on now. Let's get rinsing. So on the rinse down, we've run into a little bit of a problem. This acre here just can't deal with all the water. I don't know if it's because it's blocked or can't lift that up with my hands. I have to go to the van and see what I've got. I'm hoping it's just because it's blocked too. Otherwise I'm going to be here forever pushing water around. Let's try and get a screwdriver or something out the van and see if we can lift that acre up. I'll have a screwdriver or something. There we go. Crowbar. Let's have a look. That's not even the outlet. I don't know where the outlet is. Oh, there. The outlet's there. Maybe it's just a soakaway. It's dealing with it, but just very slowly. Just have to clear it once we've fully finished, but no, it seems to be dealing with it now. Panic over. Right, let's get back to rinsing. So I reckon it's a soakaway. It goes so much and then stops. That's my conclusion anyway. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave that now and go around this side and rinse here. Leave that to drain off a little. Like always, rinse the walls off first. You're looking thinking, what's the rinsing away? There's nothing to rinse. I'm trying to get rid of, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, the sand. It's like a sandy, gritty. I'm going to get all that out of the grain of the tarmac. when it dries it's looking fresh. Our next job is a patio clean, which is only 5 minutes round the corner. That's the bonus. We're not far off down here now. Like I've just got to rinse this down, pack away, clean the windows. So let me get this wrapped up, guys, and I'll come back. All cleaned, all rinsed off. As you can see, all the moss has now gone from the edges. The face of the wall I couldn't do much with because it was falling to pieces, so I literally just tickled over it and got rid of some of the moss. Wasn't know what else I could do. With tarmac you can never fully tell how it's going to look until it's dried. Oh, can't see anything obvious, and that's why I hate tarmac, because it's just rubbish. It's horrible to clean, doesn't look great when you have cleaned it. Obviously black spots on these edgings, I haven't hypoed those because you're running the risk of the hypo going onto tarmac and discolouring it, especially with it being red. So yeah, I didn't want to run that risk there for the sake of those black spots there. No, that's what it is. So we're going to pack up now, guys, and go to the next one. Well, just gone to the petrol station to get some more fuel, ready for the next job. The next one isn't actually booked in till 1:30 and it's now 10 to 11. Just tried to call them and there's no answer. I'm hoping they're in, because the last thing I want to be doing is sitting around for 2 hours, or 2.5 hours. So let's have a drive over there and pray they are in. Let's have a look where we're going. Oh, turn that music off. Got a telling off last time for the music in the van, copyright flipping on YouTube. Right, where are we? Directions. 4 minutes away. So yeah, we're going to get there at 11:54 and we're not booked until 1:30. What do you reckon, guys? Is she going to be in? Is she going to be out? Is she going to be happy that we're early? Is she going to kick off? It's bloody warm today as well. It's about time. Because my plan is get these jobs finished early today and then go and catch up on some resands while the sun's shining. You got to make hay. Oh, it's telling me off. It's telling me off. One minute away. Oh, we're here. That was flipping close. Number 21. There's number 21. They're all names. 6. 1. 5. Got a queue of cars behind me. 11. 13. 15. 17, 19. It's going to be this one here, isn't it? 21. Problem is, like I said, she's not in. There's no cars on the drive. So what do we do here? I reckon we reverse on the drive and see what's what. Right, let me just get this van on the drive, because there's walls and it's a busy road. And the last thing I want to do is take a wall out. No messing. Just praying she's in. If not, I suppose I can sit and eat me dinner. But come on, let's go and have a look, see if she's here. I don't know which on the front door is. This one. I've got a feeling no one's in. Oh, don't do this to me. Do not do this to me. So the thing is, I can't even just crack on because there's no gate. Oh man. I can't sit here for 2 hours. Is this a gate here? What are we gonna do, man? What are we gonna do? Let's get in the van, eat a sandwich and come up with a game plan. Well, I've been sat here now about 20 minutes. There's no sign of the customer, she's not answering the phone. There's no one in the house, so obviously I rang the doorbell. I don't know what to do. But I've ate my sandwiches, drank my Red Bull. I don't fancy sitting here for 2 hours, but if I go back to the unit and get the sand and try and do a resand in between, the unit's 20 minutes or so from here. So by the time I get back to the unit, load the sand, phone a customer, go and do that, come back, then I'm going to have loads of sand in the van. That'll end up getting wet because of obviously pressure washing. The van always gets wet when you pressure washing. Yeah, I don't know, I was on a roll this morning and being ahead of schedule has bit me on the so yeah, I don't know, what do I do? But I can't sit here for 2 hours. I'm hoping the customer just arrives back wherever they've gone. I know it's my fault, I'm 2.5 hours early, so it's not the customer's fault at all. I was just trying my luck. But yeah, I'm sat here scratching my head thinking, what shall I do? It's annoying because if there was a side gate I could just crack on. Obviously we've worked for this customer before, it wouldn't be an issue. But I can't even get to the patio to do that. So I think I might sit here for another 20 minutes or so. And if they don't come, then I might go and help one of the other guys who's, I think is about 10 minutes round the corner. Go and give him a chuck for an hour. We'll see. The customer has finally arrived. Let's go and have a look. Oh, looks like I've already had a look, but let's show you what we've got. See, it's just more plain concrete slabs. A few little stepping stones. And quite a few weeds. Obviously the mortar or pointing in between the gaps is shot to pieces. I have pointed this out to the customer that it's all going to just come out when being jet washed, because obviously I need to get rid of all these weeds. But yeah, they are just concrete slabs. So I've got the high pressure hose out, I'm just going to connect up to the tap now and we'll make a start. Like I said, I need to get this one done quick sharpish really, so I can try and get some resands done. Luckily my tank is full. Well, let's just connect up anyway. Ready? So when it starts running out we haven't got to faff around. There we go. Oh, there we go, it's gone on. Yeah, I'm not going to turn that on just yet because it will literally just overflow. But yeah, that's on there. Right, I'm going to get this machine started and we'll get cracking.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something.
So yeah, we're about halfway through now. It is what it is, mate. They're concrete slabs. We're getting there. We're making a bit of a mess, but we're getting there.
Something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
So we've zipped over it with the turbo nozzle. As you can see, it's not looking great at all. Like I said, every job isn't picturesque, perfect before and after pictures and amazing. As you can see, this patio is falling apart. The customer wants it cleaned. We're going to clean it. This is what it is, for polishing a turd. So yeah, today we're just trying to polish a turd. Seen the rinse down now. So I'm hoping the treatment deals with a lot of this black spots. So I'm just going to rinse it off now, then treat it. While I'm treating it, I'll do stepping stones, and we'll see what's what. So yeah, we've rinsed it all off now. I'm just going to give it a treatment. As you can see, I've just started here. Leave this for a good 10-15 minutes. Hopefully this will shift some of these black spots, but I don't think it's going to work miracles because this patio is probably older than me. So the treatment's been on for a good 10 minutes now. We'll give it a rinse off and see how it looks. So there we go, job done. As you can see, it's just starting to dry out now on the lighter patches. That is our attempt at polishing a turd. So yeah, no, it's all been cleaned, it's all been treated, all the weeds are gone. As you can see, they're drying out now. It doesn't look great at the minute because obviously it's still wet, but it looks a million times better than it did this morning. So yeah, we're just going to give the customer a knock, make sure they're happy, and back to the unit we go. So we've been back to the unit, we've switched vans, we're now in the little van, loaded some sand up. It's currently 4 o'clock and we're heading to do a resand. Hoping to get 2 done if possible, depends how long this one's going to take me. Oh wow, the park's busy. So yeah, we're 2 minutes away from the job. This was actually cleaned 2 weeks ago, this driveway. Oh, is she going to move? Yeah, but the rain, we haven't had a chance to get over. It's just been raining non-stop. And when it has been dry, we've been on a big job or something and can't get away. So yeah, we don't normally like to leave them 2 weeks, but on this occasion it has been 2 weeks. Oh, let's have a look. Here we are. Yeah, the customer's not here. I have spoke to him on the phone. He just said, yeah, we're going to crack on. So that's what we're going to do. Oh, there's a bloody dog just running around here. Oh man. Stupid me not paying attention. Too busy looking at the dog. Took the wrong turn. Let's turn it around. It's a bit cold in that house. Here we go, here it is. So yeah, it wasn't myself that cleaned this one. Oh, it's up for sale. Is that why I had it cleaned? So, let's have a look. There we go. Let's get the sand out and get cracking. We're getting there on the last corner now. It's only took 2.5 bags this has. Just think this. Take a lot more. Oh. Can't physically get more in the gaps. So yeah, just going to brush this last little bit in the corner now and then give it a blow over. In the next one, see if we can do that. Resand done, just got to blow it off now. See if this wants to start. There we go, another one ticked off the list.